You question the sincerity of the government in their process?
It's obvious that today, what will it do?
No, but
I mean, if the JPC meets 2 months from now, what material do they have?
No,
what do they do?
No, suppose I take that forward, Mr. Rajagopal, if I were to rebut what Mr. Subramaniam says by saying this particular JPC is saying we will submit its report in a fixed time frame. When the government of India says that there is a scam that's being discussed all over the country and we are telling the people of this country in 3 months we will settle the JPC. Why not give it an opportunity?
Government ran away from FIR. FIR means money trail. Money trail, they want to hide that. That is why they are bringing JPC into the picture.
Correct.
If money trail was to be done, the investigation done by you is not able to be done by the government. Today in the parliament, government played a trick on the opposition and opposition failed to rise to the occasion because it sprang a surprise. But I spoke to 2-3 senior opposition leaders.
Yeah.
They say in the Business Advisory Committee, Mr. Kamal Nath did not mention this morning.
Mr. Kamal Nath said to me, and I'm placing it on record, or we get him on the phone right now and we can settle this matter. Mr. Kamal Nath said to me that this matter of a JPC was discussed. Maybe not in today's Business Advisory Committee.
Senior members of parliament from opposition parties, they said they have not been discussed in this morning.
So what are you suggesting?
Suggesting that government wanted to run away from FIR.
Yes.
FIR means, Mr. T.S.R. Subramaniam should explain, it is letters of derogatory means money trail will be found. That is why government wants to hide himself.
Keshav
not
Rao.
FIR, no money trail will be found.
Keshav Rao, one sec. Keshav Rao, has a parliamentary trick been done? Is this a parliamentary trick which happened today?
Rajgopal, let me say one word. Has JPC stopped CBI from filing FIR? Number one. CBI can still go ahead and file its FIR. Number two. JPC is only a backup mechanism where it monitors, and on the other hand, it can pressurize CBI to file FIR. I have been on JPCs earlier.
No,
we can ask CBI, we can ask FIR to file. Three. Now.
They should have directly gone in for FIR.
Please, let me tell. No,
they should have gone in for FIR.
Will you please? You see, the BJP was very right. They raised 3 issues. They wanted the inquiry to be very strict. They wanted CBI to do. Then they wanted the Supreme Court to monitor it. Now we can't ask Supreme Court. The Parliament can't ask the Supreme Court to monitor it unless the Supreme Court wants by itself.
Mr. Keshav Rao, 2 other panelists haven't spoken yet. Nirja Chaudhary raised her hand. And when you said there that you don't need a JPC, that's not going to negatively affect the CBI inquiry. The other question is, does the CBI have to be told that the whole country is debating arms gate? Does the Central Bureau of Investigation have to be told that please file an FIR? Isn't that most elementary? Nirja Chaudhary wants to say
let the JPC do it.
That is the basic question.
No, Arnab, let the JPC do it.
Let the JPC do it. Let the JPC.
No,
I don't know.
I think that is the basic question, the filing of the FIR, number one. Number two, I agree with him, it's not an either-or situation that you cannot have an FIR and a JPC. Yeah. But you see, Arnab, one can understand, one can guess the reasons why Congress is offering JPC. It wants to take the wind out of the sails of the BJP. It wants...
but why did the BJP allow it?
But that's the question. It wants to carry it on till elections. It wants to put the issue on the back burner. The curious stand is of the BJP.
Why?
Because, one is getting the impression that neither the Congress nor the BJP want to get to the bottom of it.
You second that?
But I have one simple point. I have a problem with the BJP stand. The upshot of the BJP stand is that JPC is now redundant.
Yeah.
It is an expression of no confidence in the members of parliament today, their stand. And number two, by demanding that there should be a Supreme Court monitored inquiry. It's one thing for a PIL to be filed in court, which is likely to happen, and the Supreme Court to decide we are going to monitor it. It's another thing for the government or parliament, which will be a political decision, to tell the court you inquire into this issue and not that issue.
But you say that despite the experience of 2G,
it has a bearing on the independence of the judiciary.
You say that despite you say that despite what happened in 2G, in the 2G case, the court repeatedly pulled up the CBI for its slipshod investigation.
Yeah, because there was PILs from people like Subramaniam Swamy.
So you're saying Chandan Mitra shouldn't be saying that?
Well, Chandan Mitra can file a PIL, but if Parliament directs the Supreme Court...
You're saying Chandan Mitra is undermining Parliament?
Well, Chandan Mitra is today undermining MP, certainly an expression of no confidence in MP, but also Supreme Court by directing.
Sabha, who is in the dock here? Is it the BJP more in the dock or the government for dodging?
Arnav, we are seeing a charade by both the parties. India has become the biggest procurer of arms in the world right now. This is about a system, and they are all putting up a charade. The Congress doesn't want to file an FIR.
Please don't count us in it.
Well, I'm talking about the political class. The Congress doesn't want to file an FIR. The BJP doesn't want to be part of a JPC. To me, it seems like a game where the set match and you know, because we are talking about a BJP leader has already defended, you know, a senior BJP leader has already defended Mr. Tyagi, the former, the detailed.
The Air Chief, has been defended by Jaswant Singh, a former defence minister himself.
It's completely illogical that you can't have an FIR.
I think it's...
And you know, the Congress, what I want to say about the Congress here, right now they may have a little point in having, you know, said we are setting up a JPC, but they always go kicking and screaming. They did that with 2G so late, and now they're going to go kicking and screaming about the FIR.
Interesting.
They can organize an FIR, and they will have to file an FIR.
Well, interesting series of questions are coming. I see Mr. Elangovan hands go up. I think Keshav Rao has a lot to answer, and so does Chandan Mitra. Who wants to go first? Would Chandan Mitra, you know, it's not convincing, and this has been said twice today. Kamal Farooqui referred to it. Sabha is fairly direct. And I'll be now a little bit more direct. The question here is, Chandan Mitra, that you are in a terrible position because your own senior leader, a member of your party top brass, a former defence and foreign minister of India, Shri Jaswant Singh, has already in a fairly explicit manner supported the Air Chief against whom there is a preliminary inquiry by the CBI. This is a slippy situation for you, Chandan Mitra, and realizing that the situation is slippy, you are slipping out of Parliament.
Arnab, I did not expect this question from you, nor did I expect the kind of remarks that have been made by senior journalists like Neerja and even Sabha Naqvi.
And Sabha.
You see, firstly, Mr. Jaswant Singh may have said something on the basis of his experience. He, in his personal interactions, may think Mr. S.P. Tyagi is above board. Inquiry may eventually prove that he had nothing to do with it. But at least CBI has lodged a preliminary inquiry report, and let them even lodge an FIR. We are not interfering with the process at all. We want CBI to inquire into everybody. But let them also inquire. Let them also inquire, and this is a point I made in Parliament again and again, largely on the basis of the Times Now reports, about the role of Mr. Abhishek Verma and Ms. Anku Niasku, who were going around, you see, who are defense agents, middlemen, who have made money, who are linked to top families in the Congress party. Now, why don't they do that? We want the country to know. We want CBI.
Okay, Chandan Mitra, both Sabha and Mr. Farooqui want to respond to you. Yes?
You know, Chandan, the problem is that regardless of Jaswant Singh's intentions and his motives and whether it was a grand gesture, you know, for someone he knew, of support. But it is, I mean, this is a very serious matter. Your party is raising it. So do you not think that he made a mistake, and which would be a disaster for this particular scandal as you move along?
No, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I've lost the audio. But I don't understand this point. Mr. Jaswant Singh is the one person who said something because of his personal knowledge of Mr. Tyagi. But you look at the whole strain of speeches.
Personal knowledge you are talking about.
Speeches made today.
Personal knowledge. We would like to know what is that personal knowledge.
You can take it that today what has been said in Rajya Sabha is the BJP's official line. So let that go be on record.
No, he has to come out. He is a very important person of BJP. He is defending.
Chandan,
Mr. Tyagi.
Chandan, he was the defence minister.
Yeah, he was.
Foreign minister.
But I'm saying that what has been said today in the Rajya Sabha is the party's official position.
let's not
go into who has said what. That is not really germane to the current debate.
It's a good debating point, but no. I get your point. It's a good debating point. It's not the core issue. The core issue, the greatest mystery in the Indian subcontinent today is the following. And if Keshav Rao can give me an answer to that, I would like one, please. Keshav Rao, tell me, if I am not mistaken, around 2:30 in the afternoon, on the 22nd of October 2009, the CBI registered an FIR against unknown persons and filled in the details in the charge sheet on 2nd of August 2011 in the case of 2G. Now, I want to know why you can't file an FIR against unknown persons in exactly the same manner in the case of Armsgate.
No, certainly not.
What is stopping you from doing the same thing?
Now, let me give you the legal position. Now, you can do it, an unknown person, but the moment you gets to the trial, you need to give the person concerned and give the matter. Now, but let me make it. You see, although the Jaswant is a point for me, a strong point for me to argue, but I don't want to divert the entire subject, nor confuse subject. I understand what Chandan Mishra.
The FIR was filed. The FIR was filed against unknown private persons and unknown government
I understand,
officials.
No, Mr. Arnab, this issue. Now I'm telling you the legal position. The issue should be specific. You should be able to tell the real culpability of a person or the matter that.
Sorry, we know who are the real people. We know who are the real people.
No, the question it is not. No, please hear me. Let me have only 1 minute. I will not take one. Today, the preliminary inquiry that you are talking about does not give you the substantiality of any issue. What is required is, Mr. Chandra Mishra, there are two courses available to you. One, go to PIL or the Supreme Court involved. Or Mr. Chandra Mishra, join JPC in the very first meeting or the CBI to go and file the FIR with whatever the matter you have. That is also there.
Exactly.
Treat the JPC as a backup mechanism and do it. Let us not run away from JPC. It is only a backup mechanism. It is a second fiddle available to you. And let that CBI do its job. Please see that it does its job and monitor it.
Look, Arnab, let me tell Mr. Keshav Rao that this is not a JPC, it is a CWC. It is a CWC and therefore we don't want to be part of the CWC.
Congress Working Committee, he says.
No, that is how you have always been escaping. Chandan, I know you.
No, I'm not escaping. I'm not escaping.
This is very enigmatic of BJP.
What Mr. Keshav Rao?